Hello students, myself Purushottam Kasle, Junior College Teacher, Department of Mathematics from Red Section Samsthas RBNB College, Srirampur. Students, in the last lecture we have seen types of sets, definition of set and some remarks on set. Now today we are going to study the operations on set. Now we see first operation here, complement of a set. Complement of a set. Now definition of complement of set. The complement of set A. The complement of set A is denoted by A dash or AC, and it is defined as A is equal to or A dash is equal to in curly bracket X such that X belongs to A but X does not belongs to set E. That is equal to set of all elements which are in A. The set of all elements which are in set U, not A, are in U but not in set A. Not in set A. Okay. Now this is the definition of complement of set. Now we can see some examples here. First example is, consider universal set X is equal to in curly bracket elements 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and last element is 8 is only. Therefore, we have to write here set A, given that A in curly bracket 2, 4, 6, 8. Now this is the universal set X and this is the given set A. Now we have to write the complement of set A, which is denoted by A dash and is equal to A dash is equal to the elements which are in set X but not in set A. These elements are 0, 1, 2, not 2, 0, 1, 3, further 5, 7. So this is the complement of set A. And this is the given set A and this is the complement of set given set A dash. Okay. Now we draw Venn diagram for this complement of set. Venn diagram is, this is the universal set X. In this set contains elements 0, 3, 1, 5, 7, 2, 4, 6, 8. Now this is the set A, given set, which contains elements 2, 4, 6, 8. And complement of that set A is A dash, which contain elements 0, 1, 3, 5, 7. 0, 1, 3, 5, 7. Now this set is called as A dash. Now this is the set A and this set is A dash. Okay. Complement of set A. Now properties of complement. Properties of complement. Now we have to given that set A. Let A be any set. Then first property is A dash bracket dash, that is complement of complement, is equal to set itself. Complement of complement is equal to set itself. Number second, complement of u dash, universal set u, complement of u dash is equal to empty set. Number third, complement of empty set is equal to u. Complement of empty set is equal to u. These are the some properties for the complement of the given element. Okay. Now second operation is union of two sets. Union of sets. Number second, union of sets. Our definition for union of sets: the union of two sets. The union of two sets A and B is defined as set of all elements which are in set A or set B and it is denoted by A union B. Okay, now mathematically it is defined as A union B is equal to, in curly bracket, X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. Now this is the definition of union of two sets, set A and B. The set of all those elements which are belongs to set A or set B is called as union of two sets, which is denoted by A union B, and mathematically it is defined as A union B is equal to, in curly bracket, X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. Okay. Now we can represent the union of two sets in Venn diagram by shaded portion. Now we can draw here Venn diagram. Venn diagram is, now this is the universal set U and this set is set A and this set is set B. Okay. A union of two sets is denoted by A union B, and which contains the elements which are present in shaded portion, in this portion. So this is the union of two sets, set A and set B. Okay. Now we see some examples here. First example for union of sets. Now consider any two sets, set A is equal to, in curly bracket, X such that X is a prime number, less than 12, and set B is equal to, in curly bracket, X such that X is a factor of 8, X belongs to N and X is a factor of 8. Okay. Now set A can be represented in roster method form. X is a prime number less than 12. That is, these numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. These are the prime numbers which are less than 12. And set B contains elements which are factors of 8 and which are belonging to set of natural number n, and these elements are 1, 2, 4, 8. These are the factors of 8. Okay, now we can write union of these two sets A union B equal to in curly bracket elements which are belongs to set A and set B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8 and 11. This is the union of two sets, set A and B. Okay, now we see properties of union. Properties of union. Now properties of union. Properties of union. Now first property is A union B is equal to B union A. We consider two sets, set A and B. First property is A union B is equal to B union A, and this is called as commutative property. Commutative property or commutative law. Second, A union in bracket B union C is equal to A union B union C. This is called as associative property. Associative property or associative law. Okay. Third property, number third, identity property. A union phi is equal to A. It's called as identity property. Identity property or identity law. Next is A union A is equal to A. This is called as idempotent law. Idempotent law or property. Okay. Now next is A union A dash. That is given set A and complement of A, which is A dash. A union A dash is equal to universal set U. Universal set U. Next property is if A is a subset of B, then A union B is equal to B. A is a subset of B, then A union B is equal to B. Now next property, number 7, A union U is equal to U. That is given set A and universal set U, union of these two is equal to U. And next property is if A is a subset of A union B. Number 8, A is subset of A union B and B is also a subset of A union B or B union A. Now these are the some properties for the union of two sets: commutative property, associative property, identity property, idempotent law, and these are some properties. A union A dash equal to U, A union U equal to U, A union A is equal to A, and A is a subset of A union B. Then B is a subset of A union B or B union A. How can verify these properties? By giving examples. Okay. Now next article is intersection of sets. Next is intersection of sets. Third operation. Intersection of sets. Now intersection of two sets. The intersection of two sets definition is the intersection of two sets A and B is the set of all elements which are in set A and in set B. That is, those elements which are belongs to both sets, set A and set B, then this is called as intersection of two sets, and it is denoted by A intersection B, and mathematically it is defined as A intersection B is equal to, in curly bracket, X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. Okay. Now representation for the intersection of two sets by Venn diagram. Venn diagram is now consider universal set. This is the universal set U. This is the set A, given set A, and this is the set B. Okay. Now this shaded portion represent intersection of A union B. Sorry, represent intersection of A intersection B. This shaded portion is the set of intersection of two sets A and B, and which is denoted by A intersection B. Now we see example here. Consider set A. A is equal to, in curly bracket, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and set B is equal to, in curly bracket, 1, 2, 3, 8, 9. Now these are two given sets. We have to write intersection of these two sets. That is, A intersection B is equal to, in curly bracket, the set of all those elements which are belongs to set A and in set B. Okay. Now these elements are 1, 2, and 3. This is the intersection of two sets, given sets A and B. A intersection B is equal to, in curly bracket, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now we see properties of intersection. Properties of intersection. Properties of intersection. First property. Let A and B be any two sets. Let A and B be any two sets. Then first property is A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. B intersection A, and this is called as commutative property. Commutative property. Number second, A intersection B intersection C. Now we consider three sets here, A, B, and C, which is equal to A intersection B intersection C. A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C. This is called as associative property. Associative property. Okay. Number third, A intersection phi. A intersection phi, that is empty set. A intersection phi is equal to phi. A intersection phi is equal to phi. This is called as identity law. Number 4, idempotent law, that is A intersection A. A intersection A is equal to A. This is called as idempotent law. Idempotent law or idempotent property. Okay. The next property is A intersection A dash. A intersection A dash, that is given set A and complement of set A dash, intersection of these two sets is equal to empty set. Okay. Number 6, A intersection U, that is given set A and universal set U, union intersection of these two sets A intersection U is equal to E. A intersection U is equal to E. The next property is number 7. A intersection B is a subset of A and A intersection B is a subset of B also. That is, A intersection B is subset of A and subset of B. Now next property is distributive property. Distributive property number 8, that is A intersection B union C is equal to, we can write this, A intersection B union A intersection C. This is the first distributive property or distributive law. And number 2, A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C. This is called as distributive property. Distributive property. Okay. Now next is De Morgan's law. De Morgan's laws. So number first law is A union B dash, that is complement of A union B, is equal to complement of A dash intersection B dash. A dash intersection B dash, that is complement of A intersection complement of B. Number 2, A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. These are two De Morgan's law. Okay. We can verify these laws by giving example. Now next article is difference of sets. Difference of sets. Difference of set. Difference of sets. Now consider any two sets A and B, and we have to define difference of two sets. Definition of difference of sets. Difference of sets A and B is denoted by A minus B or A intersection B dash, and it is defined as A minus B is equal to, in curly bracket, X such that X belongs to A but X does not belong to set B. This is called as difference of sets A and B. A minus B is equal to, in bracket we can write X belongs to A and X does not belong to B. So this is the mathematical definition of set A minus B, or difference of sets. And theoretically we define difference of sets A and B is denoted by A minus B or A intersection B dash, and it is defined as element of those elements which are belongs to set A but not belongs to in set B. Okay, this is the definition of difference of sets. Now we can draw Venn diagram for difference of sets. Venn diagram. Now this is the universal set U. Now consider any two sets, set A and B. This is the set A and this is the set B. Now A minus B represented by shaded portion, this portion. This is set for A minus B. Difference of sets A and B. And this portion is the set B minus A. Difference of sets B and A. Difference of sets B and A. Now this is the definition for difference of two sets. Now we see some notes here. Note that number first note, A minus B. A minus B is a subset of A and B minus A is a subset of B. A minus B is a subset of A, which is again proper subset. A minus B is a subset of A and B minus A is a subset of B. First note. Second note is A minus B is equal to A intersection B dash and B minus A is equal to A dash intersection B. A dash intersection B. This is the second note. Third note is A union B is equal to A minus B union A intersection B union B minus A. B minus A. Okay. Now this sets A minus B, A intersection B and B minus A are called disjoint sets. This sets A minus B, comma A intersection B and B minus A are called disjoint sets. Disjoint sets. Okay. Number fifth note is A minus B union B minus A. A minus B union B minus A is equal to A delta B. A delta B, and this A delta B is called as symmetric difference of set A and set B. A minus B union B minus A is equal to A delta B, and this is called as symmetric difference of sets A and B. Okay, these are the some notes on the difference of set. Now we see some properties on difference of set. Properties of difference of set. Properties of difference of sets. The first property is A delta B. A delta B, that is difference of symmetric matrix A and B. A delta B is equal to A union B. A union B minus A intersection B. A delta B is equal to A union B minus A intersection B. Next property is A delta A. A delta A is equal to phi. That is empty set. That is symmetric difference of sets A with set A is equal to phi. Okay. Next property is A delta phi is equal to A. A delta phi is equal to A. Number fourth property is if A delta B equal to, if A delta B equal to A delta C, then then B is equal to C. B is equal to C. Next property, A delta B is equal to B delta A. A delta B is equal to B delta A. That is symmetric difference of set A and set B is equal to symmetric difference of set B and set A. Okay. Next property number 6 is A intersection B delta C. A intersection B delta C is equal to A intersection B delta A intersection C. A intersection C. Okay. Now these are the some properties for difference of sets. Okay. Now by using examples we can verify all these properties by giving examples. Okay. We stop here. Thank you.